Alrighty, let's get a check of the forecast now. Matt Kirkwood joining us. Brother, we're not dealing with anything like those folks are dealing with regard to the aftermath of the tornadoes, but we are experiencing some rain. When will that start to kind of fade away mostly?
Yeah, it looks like it's going to fade away later on tonight. We'll still have a chance until we get that cold front through, until about mid-evening. But considering this is all part of the same storm system, we're getting kind of lucky here across southwest lower Michigan. Lack of severe weather. Certainly with this type of setup, if we had more sunshine out there, without a doubt, we could have severe weather, but that doesn't look like that's in the card for us. Right now, you can see on Storm Track Live radar, certainly some rain showers out there. Most of it's up to the north at the present time, where there's actually some snow mixing in. I know it's hard to believe right now in the Grand Rapids area because we were experiencing temperatures in the 60s and 70s in most locations. I want to take you to Kalamazoo. It's kind of fun this time of year just to look at the difference between the Kalamazoo camera and Grand Rapids, as the tree canopy is about a week, if not a week and a half ahead of us. You can see basically all the trees that have full canopy of leaves on it right now. All right, here's the latest on Storm Track Live radar. Near a little band of showers now pressing east of Grand Rapids, east of Kalamazoo, and also mostly east of Big Rapids and heading into the Greenville area. You see not much going on once you get west of US 131. There's no lightning associated with this, but this line continues to advance to the east, and that will continue to be the case. Now, let's play a game here. Where would you rather be? 80 degrees right now in Cleveland, 77 Detroit. This is a very strong warm front. At the same time on Mackinac Island, I just checked out the observation, 39-degree temperature. Wind gusts out of the east at 28 miles an hour with a wind chill of 30 with flurries being reported. Holy cow. It's one strong warm front across the state. Fortunately for those locations in our viewing areas, such as Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant, I know you're on the chilly side right now, but the warmer temperatures are heading in your direction as we shift that wind, which is currently on the east in Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant, to the south, and already that's starting to happen in Grand Rapids. Here's the current position of that warm front. It's continuing its march to the north out ahead of an area of low pressure. This is the same storm system that produced all the severe weather out there in the Central Plains over the previous weekend. Fortunately for us, it looks like we're going to avoid that, although the chance of severe weather isn't zero this afternoon and evening, but it's quite low. Wind out there right now, 22 in Hastings, 21 in the Battle Creek area. You can see where the wind is stronger with it mixing with that warmer air off to the south. So it's going to become a little bit breezy this afternoon. It looks like we'll also see in the Grand Rapids area some wind gusts up over 20 miles an hour, and then they'll subside a bit this overnight period. So still right on through the afternoon, in through the evening hours, we'll have a chance of some showers, maybe some thunderstorms. A better chance of those thunderstorms will be east of I-69 or I-69 eastward. About mid-evening, still some spotty showers out there out ahead of the cold front. In terms of severe weather, it's going to be in a thumb region with a marginal risk over there. And in terms of the rainfall, most locations around a tenth and maybe upwards of half an inch from Grand Rapids northward. And then a beautiful day heading our way forward tomorrow with lots of sunshine, one of the nicer days in the 8-day forecast. It'll be a little bit cooler, mid-60s for highs. Warmest day looks like Thursday, slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Best chance appears will be Friday of this upcoming week.